Good morning, children. We are now starting the biology section. In this biology section, refer to the given graph showing the levels of ovarian and pituitary hormones W, X, Y, and Z in the blood during the menstrual cycle and select the incorrect statement. I'm repeating once again, you have to select the incorrect or the wrong statement regarding it. Here, the graph they are showing is days versus the level in blood. Now, option A, both hormones W and X are released from adenohypophysis. Hormone Y stimulates the development of female secondary sexual characters, whereas hormone Z is required for the maintenance of pregnancy. Hormone W stimulates spermatogenesis, whereas hormone X stimulates secretion of androgen in males. Okay. Now, hormone Y is required for the formation of placenta, whereas hormone Z stimulates the development of mammary glands in the females. Now, which one is the correct answer that you need to choose? Which one is the correct answer that you need to? Okay, children, the correct answer over here, the correct answer over here is option D. So option D is the correct answer. After that, we move to the next question, and the next question we have over here is question 32. In question 32, what we see, the study of the given two cases carefully and select the correct option. Okay, the case 1 and case 2. See here, father, mother, and children. Here we have provided two of the cases, case 1 and case 2. Disease normal, sons always disease, sons and daughters could be disease. Four of these options are there, A, B, C, and D. Case A is hemophilia, color blindness. Case 2 is Huntington's disease and Duchenne's muscular dystrophy. Case 1 is hemophilia and aniridia. Case 2 is cystic fibrosis and phenylketonuria. And case C is case 1 is hemophilia and color blindness. Case 2 is phenylketonuria and sickle cell anemia. Case 1 is phenylketonuria. Now you have to choose which one is the correct answer. That is question 32. And the correct answer is C. So C is the correct answer. In this question, C is the correct answer. In this question, C is the correct answer. After that, we have question 33. Question 33, refer to the given flowchart and select the correct option regarding W, X, Y, and Z. So here we have body organism cellular, and we have W. Body plan proteogenesis. Prostomes we have X. Central nervous system in ventral and solid, and we have this Y. You have to choose X, Y, and Z. What are the options? Four of these options are there. You have to choose the correct option. The correct option is C. So the correct answer option is C. Now we refer to the next question, question 34. Question 34 tells you that refer to the given table representing tRNA anticodons for 4 amino acids. And we have this amino acid and tRNA anticodon, and they are asparagine, glutamic acid, proline, and threonine. And the coding is like this: UUA, CUU, GGA, and UGG. Now a cell makes a polypeptide with the amino acid sequence glutamic, asparagine, threonine, and proline. What is the sequence of bases of DNA strand complementary to the mRNA from which the polypeptide is formed? And we have been provided these four options. You have to choose the best option. So accordingly substitute the values and you will get it. Correct answer option you have to choose, and the correct answer option is option B. So option B is the correct answer option. Okay. After that, we have the next question, and next question is question 35. In question 35, what we see? In question 35, what we see? See here also they have provided you a table. Under this table, you have to select the correct match. Just see, you have been provided this table and select the correct match for the cells which has 4 chromosomes in the G1 phase. Okay, the cell cycle phases are G2 phase, metaphase 1, metaphase 2, mitotic metaphase and meiotic anaphase. DNA content cell is this, number of chromosomal cell is this, and we have to find out this. So these are the 4 options A, B, C and D. You have to choose the best option among these 4. See, the correct answer option is A, because A, the first is G2 phase. After G2 phase we have metaphase 2. After metaphase 2 we have the mitotic metaphase. After mitotic metaphase we have the mitotic anaphase. This is how the whole thing takes place. So the correct answer option is A. So the correct answer option is A. After that we have the next part of the chapter. In the next part of the chapter, now what we have, read the given statement. Okay, we have to read the statement. There are how many statements? 4 statements have been provided. First is contraction of associated sphincter muscles and relaxation of the rectum causes defecation. Sympathetic nerve fibers that innervates the heart terminates on the artery and release acetylcholine. Air flows into the alveoli because diaphragm and inspiratory intercostal muscles contract and thorax expands. 4. During the glomerular filtration, constriction of afferent arterioles and efferent arteries causes a decrease and increase in hydrostatic pressure in the glomerular capillaries respectively. Of the above statement, you have to choose which one is correct and which one is wrong. Question 36. See, in this question 36, the correct answer option is B. That is 1 and 3 are correct, 2 and 4 are incorrect. Why 1 and 3 are correct? Contraction of associated sphincter muscles and relaxation of the rectum causes defecation. That's absolutely correct. And in the third statement, air flows into the alveoli because diaphragm and inspiratory intercostal muscles contract and thorax expands. This is option C. So first option and the third option is correct. But these two options, that is 2 and 4, is wrong. Why 2 and 4 is wrong? Sympathetic nerve fibers that innervates the heart terminates on the artery and releases, so it never releases the acetylcholine. And next is statement number 4. During the glomerular filtration, constriction of afferent arterioles and efferent arteriole causes a decrease and increase in hydrostatic pressure in the glomerular capillaries respectively. Okay. After that we have question 37. In question 37, what we see, that read the following statements and select the options which correctly identifies true for T and A for false. So photolysis of water is used in reduction of NADP. Second statement, dichlorophenyl dimethylurea used as a potent herbicide which inhibits the oxidative phosphorylation. In photosynthetic experiment, usually hydrilla, an aquatic plant is selected because it carries out faster photosynthesis. And next one is, the rate of photosynthesis is accelerated if sodium bicarbonate is added in water having hydrilla plant in beaker. And the last one is, a photosynthesizing plant is really, that is oxygen 18O. This plant must have been supplied with oxygen 18.2. Okay, these are the 4 options A, B, C, D. Among these 4 options, you have to choose the best answer. And in question 37, the correct answer option is answer option D. That is, the first one is true, second one is false, third one is false, fourth one is true, and the fifth one is false. After that, children, we move to the next question, question 38. Question 38 tells us read the given statement regarding different cell organelles. Okay, organelle X plays a role in detoxification of certain hydrophobic molecules. Organelle Y plays a role in the synthesis of glutamic acid and aspartic acid. Organelle Z is involved in the process by which the fatty acids are broken down into acetyl CO coenzyme. Okay, these are the three statements. You have to identify X, Y, and Z and select the correct statement regarding them. So first of all, identify X, Y, Z. After that, we have to select the correct statement. Now here the first one is that organelle X gives rise to spherosomes, whereas organelle Y helps in complete oxidation respiratory substrate. Organelle Y helps in liberation of oxygen in the atmosphere, whereas organelle Z convert fixed nitrogen in uridize in the root nodules. Organelle Z synthesizes serum and the membrane protein, whereas organelle X contains enzymes for peroxide biosynthesis. Correct answer option you have to choose A, B, C, and D. Okay, 38. The correct answer option is A. That is organelle X gives rise to spherosomes, whereas organelle Y helps in complete oxidation of respiratory substrate. Okay. After that, we move to question number 39. Refer to the given dichotomous key. That is 1A. The first key is it is the transfer of pollen grains to the stigma genetically similar flower. Go to 2. B. It is the transfer of pollen grains to the stigma of the genetically different flower. Go to 3. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, here after identifying this K and P, select the correct statement. You have to select the correct statement among this. See, the correct statement is statement A, statement B, statement C, or statement D, and the correct statement is statement C, that is protandrous flower with bi-leaved corolla in a special adaptation for flower showing N. Now in question 40, what we have, in most ecosystems the biomass of the producer is higher than the biomass of its predator, as illustrated below by the upright pyramid of biomass. In the open ocean, however, the biomass of the primary producers is often lower than the biomass of higher trophic level. For example, zooplankton and fish, as illustrated below by an inverted pyramid of biomass. Okay, now we have this level, most ecosystem, that is the most trophic level 1, 2, and 3. Here also 1, 2, 3, open ocean ecosystem. In the open ocean, how can there be enough food to support the higher trophic level? These are the 4 options provided. You have to choose the best option among these 4. In question number 40, the microscopic primary producers are a source of food of high quality. The microscopic primary producers have high rate of growth and reproduction. Organisms at higher trophic level are cold-blooded and do not require much food. The organisms higher trophic level are highly efficient predators. This is what these options. These are the 4 options that we have. You have to choose the best answer among these, and the correct answer option is B. That is, the microscopic primary producers a high rate of growth and reproduction. After that, we have question 41. In question 41, you have to identify the molecule X and Y showing below and select the correct option giving their source and use. See, this is molecule X, this is molecule Y. You have to choose the correct one. And the options are, option A is molecule X is cocaine and the source is Erythrocolium coca, uses accelerates the transport of dopamine hormone. Why heroin, that is cannabis sativa, depressant and slows down the body functions. Y is cannabinoid atropa belladonna, that is produce a hallucination. X is morphine, papaver, somniferum, sedatives and painkiller. You have to choose the best answer option among them, and the correct answer option is D. That is X is actually morphine, which is obtained from papaver, somniferum, and it is a sedative and painkiller. After that we have question 42. In question 42, now what we see, question 42, in the United States, the cystic fibrosis is a recessive condition that affects 1 in 2,500 babies. The ratio of the carriers of individual in the population will be, you have to identify the correct answer. Question 42. What is the correct answer option? Question 42. And the correct answer option is 1 in 25. Question 42, 1 in 25. Okay. After that, question 43. In people with a mutant allele, a protein contains just one defined amino acid in its primary structure. To identify the presence of the mutant allele, DNA nucleotide sequence were compared using electrophoresis. Okay. Now the next part of the question, they tells you that the electrophoresis from DNA of a normal allele of genes are given below. You have to identify, see here, which of the following represents the sequence of the mutant allele of this gene. See this sequence GATC, here it is been, and here are these 4 sequence. You have to choose the correct order, and the answer you have to find out. Correct answer option is A. The correct answer option is A. Now we have question 44. Under question 44, now what we see, under question 44, refer to the given statement 1 and 4 and select the option that correctly fills in the blank in any 2 of them. And number 1, bacterium lives in genital tubes and causes sensation during urination. It may lead to eye infection in children of infected mothers. Next is, second point is, symptoms of genital herpes is more severe. It is caused and transmitted sexually. And next one is, chlamydia is a pathogen that causes urethritis and epididymitis in males and inflation in females. And the last statement is that Sarcoptes cannabis is that causes intense itching and patches in tube. Okay. Now you have to choose the best answer option, and in this question 44, the correct answer option is D. 44D. Correct answer option is 44D. Now we have question 45. Question 45 refers to the given table and select the option which correctly fills the blanks X and Y and Z. Now we have this chart. See this chart, that is restriction enzyme, source and recognition sequence and sites of cleavage, E. coli, X and all this. You have to choose the correct answer option from this. These options are A is this, B, C and D. In question 45, you have to choose the best answer option, and the best answer option for question 45 is B. Option B. Option B is the correct answer option for question 45. After that, we have moving to the next question, that is question 46. In question 46 they have given you a set diagram. In this set diagram refers to the Venn diagram regarding disease caused microorganism. Identify P, Q and R. Unicellular microorganisms spread through contaminated food and water. Vaccine is available against it. The options A, B, C, D are there. You have to choose the best option. Now question 46, the correct answer option is A. The correct answer option here is A. Okay, the correct answer option here is A. So A is the correct answer option in this question 46. Okay, children, that was all for the day. Thank you.